Happy holidays, everybody. We're feeling super festive here at Mount Saint Vincent University, so let's get started. Welcome to the great MSVU Gingerbread Challenge. I'm your host, Greg Pretty. Let's meet our teams. Team number 1, President and Vice Chancellor Dr. Mary Bluchard and student athlete Max HOAR.
Woo! We're warming up,
Let's
folks.
go!
We're warming up. Let's go. Come on.
Team number 2, Vice President Academic Julie McMullen and international student Brian ROLLE.
Woo!
Team number 3, Vice President Administration Mastanzer Nadeem and Residence Advisor SHAYNE BREEN.
Woo!
The challenge before you today is to build the best possible gingerbread house you can with only the ingredients available in front of you. And there may be some surprises along the way. We're going to give you 30 minutes to complete this challenge. Are we ready? Yeah. Are we clear? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, decorate!
The last time I made a gingerbread house, geez, I must have been like 5 years old. It's been a long time.
I actually have built many gingerbread houses before. I haven't in the past few years, but my mother and I love to bake around Christmas. We decorate lots of cakes and whatnot, so I'm very, very confident going into this challenge.
So I'm going to need your help. Yes. Okay, so just a minute here. So we want to get rid of this.
Good start. Let's keep going. I have a lot of experience in ginger cookies, but not making any gingerbread houses. I'm confident. I mean, you know, how difficult can it be? It's a gingerbread house. You know, I got it.
Honestly, no, I have never made a gingerbread house, but when I first heard about this contest, I did make sure that I was very well-versed and researched and prepared for this task. So obviously I watched some YouTube videos about it.
That's good. Okay, so I need to apply a little pressure.
Yeah, just
Try to hold that a
little pressure. Hey, if you can't play with the big dogs, just get off the porch, right? Isn't that what they say?
My teammate is the best. I have got Max, one of the varsity athletes, and we have been doing warm-ups. We're ready. We're ready.
Hey, what are they doing?
No!
Bro, no, let's not.
Don't look.
No, it doesn't look good. No. Okay, I'll keep holding.
Okay,
Wait,
okay.
Tree.
I need to, you know what? We need a garage. This is
This
going to
like
be our garage
stuff,
that
but-
leads to
Ah,
the
you
park.
got ideas out front?
Yeah, kind of.
What are your ideas out front?
We can make like little decorations.
There was just one particular wall that could not stay up. I wanted to make it our garage, but Julie said, nope, we've got to keep this wall up. And so Julie just came in with the win, and we powered through it, yeah. We had Christmas songs going in our heart, so.
I'm doing the pressure. I'm applying the pressure. I like applying pressure.
You like applying pressure?
I do. I love applying pressure.
We're done.
Okay.
All right.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Steal the candy. Steal.
No. Hey.
I didn't know that icing would harden if you blow on it.
Neither did I. I don't know much about icing.
That's all you got.
I'm not letting it go.
Yeah, don't let it go.
Well, you have to be careful and worried about the quiet ones. So although Mary was coming in pretty strong, Mary and her partner, I was a little bit worried about Mastanzer because he tends to just sort of sit back and watch and observe.
Oh, so good.
I know, I just eat that icing.
So I hate to say it, if you're not stressed out enough right now, I'm going to introduce an additional surprise ingredient that in order to win, you have to incorporate to some extent some of these frozen vegetables.
Oh, when I saw the mystery ingredient, like vegetables. Ew.
Incorporated.
Just press on the roof.
Done.
There, Christmas tree.
On the roof.
You got any vegetables in there yet?
Yeah, and let's bring some.
In the house.
We have vegetables in the house.
I'm gonna have to do this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just, that's in the
Community
bag.
garden, yep.
It's the community garden opposite
Yes.
corner. I like that.
We're gonna have some free time, so we can help you with just putting it out there, you know.
1 minute mark, people. 1 minute mark.
Maybe out here.
1 minute left.
Yeah.
Does the academic team get to describe the house?
I let go. I'm so sorry.
Don't.
My
Oh,
bad.
my tree fell over.
I didn't mean it.
I can tell you that I have been given permission to let you know a little bit about your judges. They are very intimidating. They are very creative and artistic. They will expect color. They will expect quality. They will expect artistry. 10, 9.
Oh my goodness.
8.
Okay, I'm getting
7.
all the pressure now.
6.
Yeah, that's
5.
I'm just gonna lay in the
3,
yard. You can
2,
fell over. Wait, there's
1.
nothing over here. There's nothing over
Okay,
here.
that's it. Hands off, people. Good
space it out.
work. Good work. Good work. Hands off, people. All right. That sounds like it's our celebrity judges, folks. Welcome, everybody. Hello. Come on in, judges. There we go. Go on in. Check out the houses. There you go.
Oh, let's hear it for the judges.
Yay. Okay, ready? Here we go. I'm going to point to the house, and I want you to cheer if you think that's your favorite. But if it's not your favorite, don't cheer. Okay, ready? Who loves this one? Yay! Clapping. Okay, who loves this one?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
And last but not least, who loves this one? All right. Well, I don't know. How do we make a decision here? I mean, I'm afraid that I think our decision is this one right here. Team Stanza and Shane. Wonderful. Congratulations.
Do I agree with the judge's decision? Well, we weren't the number 1 team. But you know what? Mustanzer, he's new here. So we'll give it to him this year. But game on next year.
I love those kids. I really, really do. They're super cute, but no, their ruling was a bit flawed. The thing about our house is you have to look at it at a particular angle. You know, it's kind of like a Picasso painting. You know, you can't just look at it from one view and just make a judgment on it. They had to come from like an angle.
I absolutely agree. I knew we were going to win, but the only thing you never know with kids, sometimes they don't go with the most sophisticated one. They like the colorful and messy, that's all right, but we still came out with the win, so I'm happy.
Did you agree with the judge's decision?
Of course, look, I'm enjoying the fruits of judge's decision.
Happy holidays!